Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I'm doing a big piece. This is a 24 by 48 inch Artist Loft canvas. I'm going to do a Dutch pour. I just kind of want it kind of throughout the middle. I want to have some negative space of the white. I did a piece a few videos back that I did for a family member for their new house, and I want to do something similar to that. That one I did was just blue and some silver. This one I'm going to do blue and then like one purplish color. The colors that I'm using, the purplish one I'm using is Creative Inspirations Purple Lake. I'm using Arteza's Pearl Turquoise. Decoart's Metallic Ice Blue. And then one of my favorite blues as of lately, SoHo's Prussian blue. I just love the deep blue of it. It's just beautiful. So I'm going to start with the blue, or the Prussian blue. Guess I can't necessarily start with blue. Well, obviously I'm going to start with blue, I guess. 3 of them are blues. Like I said, I kind of think I'm going to go maybe here and then kind of go up a little bit. Let me think here. How was I going to do that? There's a hair. And then I'll do the ice blue. And then I'm going to do, I feel a hair on my arm. Don't you hate that when you have you can feel it, but you can't find it? Then I'm going to do the turquoise. Oh, some kind of a blob at the end there. I hope this one turns out as good as the other one that I did, because that one was just absolutely beautiful. I was so excited. I wouldn't say Dutch pours are like my most, I'm not going to say not favorite thing to do, because I really like to do them. I just wouldn't say it's like one of my better pours. Though they turn out fine. They all turn out really beautiful, but I just sometimes I do a little bit more work than some people that I've seen do Dutch pours. So anyway, so I think I'm going to start here and just kind of blow up and then kind of down, and then I'll come this way and then go up. I have extra color left, so if I need to add some here and there, I can still do that. All right, here we go. want to definitely make sure you get your edges all good, because, and then when you go down, get the drips off the bottom too. I for sure do that once. Sometimes I do it twice, but you don't. I mean, I for sure do it twice. Sometimes I have to do it even more than twice. You can either use your finger or your popsicle stick or or whatever, because you don't want it to keep pulling your paints over, especially like here on this side. If I wasn't to get those drips from underneath here, those drips would just keep on dripping and keep pulling your paint over. And you don't want it to do that. Sorry for the sniffles. I'm still healing. Getting slowly getting better. I'm being sick. See, like this, how that is there? You don't want to leave that. You want to make sure that you get all those drips. That way, when it's done, it dries nice and smooth. So pretty. The colors are so pretty together. I like it. It's pretty cool. It's pretty funky. But like I said, if you do something and it's not going the way you want it, just keep playing with it. Eventually you're going to get something that you like, or otherwise you're just going to have to scrape it and then I'm going to have to fix that. Scrape it and start over. Hopefully you don't have to do that, and you can just keep working it like I just did on this one and get an outcome that you like. I just love this blue. That Prussian blue is just so pretty. But anyway, thanks everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. I appreciate you watching. You will like and subscribe and share. And yeah, hopefully everybody's being healthy and safe from COVID. And all my art is for sale. You can email me at amyscreativeacrylics@gmail.com. I totally just spaced off what I was going to say. But yeah, I'll put all my information in the description below as well. This pink, that purple there turned out really pretty. I'm not really sure about this. And then I'm kind of having second thoughts about this end, but we'll see. I just feel like I need a little bit more here, but if I do any more to it, I'll let you know. I'll show you at the end of the video. I'll add it onto there before I put in the dried results. But thanks for watching, everybody. Keep being creative. Have a good day. Have a good evening. Bye. Hey everybody, I'm just getting a little new video here at the end. I kind of messed with it a little bit more as it was setting there. The more I looked at it, I just wanted to make everything just a little bit more wispier. I think on this end over here, where that line is going through, like I had, it was not so wispy through here. So I just kind of played with it a little bit more. Let's see if we can get some. But I love it now. The colors are just beautiful. I think here too I kind of messed with it. Made it a little bit more wispier there. Let me go around. table. But it's gorgeous. I wish you could see the shimmer. Like, you see that that turquoise? I think it's the turquoise. I like that light green right there. Where's it at? Right there. Sorry. But it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Just enough little cells that popped through, but it's gorgeous. I'm really, really happy with it. You know, it didn't turn out the way I started. Sorry. So, because at first I kind of wanted to do more of a Dutch pour, but I think my paints were, either my base was just too thin or they just weren't moving. So you'll kind of notice that in the beginning there, where I kind of fast forward through the whole blow dryer stuff. So, but that's why I kept messing with it, because they just weren't moving the way that I wanted them to. So, but with that being said, it just goes to show you that sometimes what you intend to do doesn't always work out. But the more you keep working with it, you can get it to be something beautiful. I did scrape a little bit throughout it, but added more color back to it, and I love it. It's gorgeous. Beautiful, vibrant colors, lots of shimmer, still have plenty of negative space. I think it's going to be gorgeous when I... Well, it is all dry now, so... But sorry, I think I'm getting my cold back again. Today I feel it in my throat and my voice. So I apologize for the scratchy voice and the throat stuff. But yeah. But I do thank everybody for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. You will like and subscribe, share, all that fun stuff. I appreciate you watching. Hopefully everybody's being healthy and safe from COVID, and keep being creative. Bye.